In this video, let us solve this problem together. Solution. So from here, we have this 2x to the power of 3 equals 1 over 8 can be simplified as 2 to the power of 3. So from here we have 2x to the power of 3 equals, we can have this as 1 to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 3. Then, when you have a to the power of n over b to the power of n, can be simplified as a over b to the power of n. So this will be 2x to the power of 3 equals 1 over 2 to the power of 3. By taking this one here, so we are going to have 2x to the power of 3 minus 1 over 2 in parentheses to the power of 3. Then we set here to be equal 0. Then let us now recall when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now, making the comparison, we discover that our a equals 2x, our b equals 1 over 2. Putting it here, we have 2x minus 1 over 2 as this times 2x squared plus 2x times b 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 square, everything equals 0. Now from here we have 2x minus 1 over 2. Then here will be 4x squared. This divided by this will be only x left, plus this will be 1 over 4 equals 0. From here, let's apply zero product rule. That says for this expression to be equal 0 is either we have 2x minus 1 over 2 all in parentheses equals 0, or we have 4x squared plus x plus 1 over 4 equals 0. Now from here we have 2x minus 1 over 2 equals 0. Then we have 2x equals 1 over 2. So from here, divide through by 2. This will cancel out this. We have x equals 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So we have x, 1 times 1 is 1 over 2 times 2 is 4. So we have it to be x equals 1 over 4. Then likewise happen to this. Let's multiply through by 4. Here will be 16x squared. 4 times this will be 4x. This will be plus 1 equals 0. Now let's try to make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. Divide through by 16. So this will cancel out, this will be x squared. this and this will be 1 over 4 x multiplied by 1 over 4 multiplied by x, and this will be 1 over 16 equals 0. So we have x squared plus x over 4 plus 1 over 16 equals 0. Now, we have to define the following parameter a to be the coefficient of x squared, 1, b to be the coefficient of x, which is 1 over 4, then c to be equals 1 over 16. Now, solving this quadratically, we have to record our x equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So we have this to be x minus 1 over 4, positive or negative, 1 over 4 square, 4 times a is 1 times c, 1 over 16 over 2 times 1. So we have x 1 over minus 1 over 4, positive or negative. This will be 1 over 16. This will be 4 times 1 over 16 over 2. Then when we factor this out, we discover that x minus 1 over 4, positive or negative, this will be 1 over 16. And here will be 1 minus 4 over 2. So we have x minus 1 over 4, positive or negative, root of 1 over 16 times minus 3 over 2. So we have this to be x equals minus 1 over 4, positive or negative. This will be root of 1 over 16 times root of 3 times root of minus 1 over 2. So x minus 1 over 4, positive or negative, root of 1 is 1, root of 16 is 4, times root 3, root of minus 1 is I, over 2. So from here, this is the complex solution. Then we have x to be 1 over 4 to be the real solution. So if you are new here and you find it really interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe for more.